Hi! Naghahanap ka ba ng unit na babagay sa'yo? Dito na yan, sa Uptown Modern. Welcome to Mega World at the Port. Tara! Hi everyone! Naghahanap ka ba ng condominium or unit na malapit lang sa mga malls tulad ng Uptown Mall? We're located at Uptown Bonifacio that you can buy what you want or gusto mong gumala. Or kung gusto mo ng pumarte, welcome mo sa Uptown Parade. We're also located in Uptown Bonifacio. Nandyan ang mga kilalang high-end clubs and all. Now, welcome to Uptown Modern, the new condominium that we're located beside the Uptown Arts Residence. Magandang morning! Welcome to 40 square meter studio unit of Uptown Modern. Upon entering, you can see there is space for your washer and dryer. This is included upon turnover. Moving forward to your kitchen area, built-in oven, 2-zone induction cooktop with range hood, single bowl sink with faucet with pull-out spray, and over and under cabinets. Moving forward to your common toilet and bath, shower set, water closet, lavatory with mixer, full glass shower enclosure, and smart mirror. Moving forward to your dining and living area, spacious, comfortable, plus the inverter split type air cut, and this is included upon turnover. Your entertainment area that you can put your television and whatever you want. Welcome to your bedroom area, also spacious, comfy, plus your modular closet that you can put your dress and anything you want. Welcome to your studio unit here at Uptown Modern. For more info, you can contact me at my number 09055983181 at you can email me at my Gmail account. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!